Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Khand, also known as tagar, using an easy method right in your kitchen. This traditional, unrefined sugar is a wonderful ingredient for many Indian sweets, offering a distinct granular texture and a rich, subtle flavor. It's a healthier alternative to highly processed white sugar, and you'll be surprised how simple it is to prepare. Let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of regular granulated sugar and approximately 1/2 cup of water. The exact water amount can vary slightly. For cooking, a heavy-bottomed pan or a large wok is ideal to prevent burning and ensure even heating. Also, make sure you have a clean, open space ready, as continuous stirring will be crucial in the next steps. Now, let's cook the syrup. Combine your 2 cups of sugar and 1/2 cup of water in the heavy-bottomed pan. Heat this mixture over a medium flame, stirring constantly until all the sugar dissolves and the syrup begins to boil. Continue cooking until it reaches a thick, one-string consistency. At this point, turn off the heat and quickly stir in about 1 teaspoon of ghee. This helps with the texture. This is the most important step for perfect Desi Khand. Immediately after adding ghee, remove the pan from the heat and start stirring the syrup vigorously and continuously. As it cools, the syrup will begin to crystallize and transform into a dry, granular powder. Keep stirring until it's completely cool and crumbly. Finally, sieve your homemade khand to remove any small lumps, leaving you with beautifully fine, unrefined Desi Khand, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.